yo, what's poppin', Team No Space? We are actually at a fucking airport during COVID with Holly, surprisingly. We might be doing a little non-essential traveling, but I think we have to. How are we living out here? But here's the thing. This is how we can justify what's going on. We live in the vicinity of Toronto, which is super busy and on lockdown right now because COVID. We decided we're gonna go to the mountains and hide out there, but not Whistler. It's too busy, too many tourists. We are going to Revelstoke Mountain in BC with our first stop staying at Andrew's house in Calgary. So we are doing a little bit of traveling, but like I said, we are actually going somewhere more reserved than where we live. And we're doing all the right precautions to stay safe while we're doing it. And we thought it'd be interesting, so we're bringing you along so you can see what the journey's like traveling safely during COVID. Yo! Yo, what's up? Yo, what's good, bro?
So there's only 60 people on the flight. It's pretty good.
Alright guys, it's 12:10 a.m. right now, which to me feels like 2:10 a.m. right now. I'm so tired, but we've officially made it to Andrew's house in Alberta, in Canmore, Alberta to be specific, in Banff. Let's go to sleep. We're gonna do some riding in Banff tomorrow. Let's do this. Alright, this is already going. Do you mind just holding it at me? Alright guys, we're at Sunshine. Alright guys, we're at Sunshine Village. Let's get some riding in. That's it. Andrew is putting the last thing in the Jeep. Check it out. And we're done at Sunshine for the day. Our one stop at Sunshine. And we are going to make our way over to our final destination, Revelstoke in BC. Hey guys, this is what we're here for. Revelstoke Mountain in BC, and look how beautiful it is.
some epic powder. Exploring some new out-of-bound territory. Let's get it. Oh man, look at this, look at this.
Unreal.
Oh man, I'm doing this run again.
Yeah, this is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Their buddy's coming with them.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Alright, Team No Space, that was day 1 and 2 at Revelstoke. We are here at day 3, which is insane sunny conditions. Love it so much. And actually, Holly, if you turn the camera around, you can see people hiking up the mountain. If you turn the camera around, you can see people hiking up the mountain. Sorry to interrupt Team No Space, but remember how we were pointing out these crazy people climbing up the hill here? Andrew is one of those guys, and he's talked us into doing it. Let's go. Halfway up this climb, how do you feel?
Tired.
Halfway up this climb, how do you feel?
Money.
Money. We got a long way to go. And that's where we came from.
Way on the top of the mountain.
Alright, Team No Space, we made it to the top. I don't even know what this is called up here.
Sub peak.
South Peak.
Sub.
Sup?
Sub.
Sub peak.
Sub Peak.
Sub peak.
Revelstoke, BC. We're somewhere on a mountain. We're gonna ride it. Let's go. Yo, sup?
Woohoo! I made it. With toe edge.
Oh, yo. What's up? Sup peak.
Woo! All right, let's hit this fast. We got the selfie going on. Oh, I jinxed it.